thanks to Congress, at least after 2 years they realized state bifurcation we did wrong.
No.
Okay. No.
You can't do that. No. You can't do that.
Sir, Congress has killed their
Ghulam
father
Nabi
and
ji.
mother, and now they are crying we are orphans. They only did this bifurcation. Since so many days of what we did in the house, this bifurcation is totally wrong. It is doing for political basis. Now, last Friday, my chief minister came to Delhi and he requested Prime Minister and Honorable Finance Minister. They are going to do something known as state. Now in this situation, they want to make a political mileage. That is the reason. That is the reason now they came to the and they are doing this drama. And in the last elections, regarding the bifurcation, the people, that is the reason they are not even a single deposit, not a seat, not a single deposit. They are wiped out from Andhra Pradesh. Now they are doing this political reason.
If the government, please,
so many times.
If the government, now the chair has, please. Please, no, chair,
it is totally.
Now that is how you stop. Now chair has no objection.
We have seen the bifurcation.
Yeah.
How they did. They closed the entire doors. And they switched off the cameras. In this house, so many times, Congress is doing for political purpose.
I will ask.
Congress is doing for political. No, on the time nobody
has no objection.
You are the witness in this house. You are the witness.
There is no objection in government to react.
Now they are crying.
Please,
at least.
I already said.
2 years.
You go back. You go back. I already asked the government. You go back.
Keep talking.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah, yes. Honorable Lalla, would you like to react?
We request the Honorable Finance Minister.
Yes.
My Chief Minister can unintentional person.
No, please. No, please. Sit down. No. Nobody else. Only Finance Minister. Only Finance Minister. Nobody else.
Sir, the centre is fully committed to helping the newly created state after bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh. Last year was the first year after the creation of the state. Honourable members have raised several issues. There are several commitments which are involved in the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act. The centre is going to honour each one of those commitments in letter and in spirit. As far as the revenue deficit is concerned, an issue which has been raised, the 14th Finance Commission has measured the revenue deficit for the term of the 14th Finance Commission. Each paisa and each rupee of that revenue deficit is being paid to the state of Andhra Pradesh. We will continue to pay that. Okay. As far as the first year before the 14th Finance Commission is concerned, there was a large revenue deficit that the state has represented. Last year some amount has been paid, this year some amount will be paid, and the centre will keep supporting the state of Andhra Pradesh. As far as other commitments are concerned, institutions had to be set up. A large number of institutions have already been set up in Andhra Pradesh. Please now
don't interrupt. That is not going on record. That is not. Seelam, you behave. Your behavior is too much, I am telling you.
You went away without
atrocious
provision for a single institution.
Don't do that.
Yeah.
Atrocious.
Foundation stones have been laid. Monies have been sanctioned as far as those institutions which were denied to the state of Andhra Pradesh, and each one of those institutions which we have committed, which erstwhile went to the state of Telangana, now the creation of those new institutions in Andhra Pradesh is taking place. We have sanctioned funds for them. Foundation stones have been laid. In some cases, work is also at an advanced stage as far as it's progressing. Two kinds of tax incentives in last year's finance bill has already been announced for the state of Andhra Pradesh. And some commitments were made to the state of Telangana, which are also being honoured for that purpose. With regard to the construction of the capital, the state is making a considerable headway. Last year, some amount was sanctioned. Some more amounts are going to be sanctioned to the state of Andhra Pradesh for the construction of the capital. Some monies were given towards Polavaram last year. Also, this year, when the budget comes up for discussion later in the day, today or tomorrow, I'll make it clear that that new fund of NABARD, which is being created, one of the first projects that they are going to take up is to support the Polavaram project. So every commitment which we have made, keeping the limitation in mind what the 14th Finance Commission has said, keeping the resources of the central government and the constraints in mind, whatever commitments have been made, each one of them is going to be honored. I wish to just make this categorical.
You sit down. आपको शर्म है? भारत माता को वंदना करने में भी आपको शर्म है?
जो नारा नहीं लगाते भारत माता की जय का, उनको सिखाना पड़ेगा। मोहन भागवत साहब, मैं नहीं लगाता नारा, क्या करते आप?